Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here with me. My name is Daisy Love, and for today, we are going to be working on the particular workshop, The Art of Presentation. One, the main purpose of a presentation is to win your audience, right? That is why you are trying to have a presentation. You got to win over at that particular audience. You prepare for a presentation by knowing your subject, knowing your audience, being enthusiastic, and mastering your communication skills. You cannot enter any contest. You cannot do any particular presentation if you don't know your audience. Then you are losing yourself. You got to learn how to engage with your audience. You got to learn how to be enthusiastic. In order for you to be enthusiastic, you got to be comfortable in the subject that you are teaching or in the presentation that you are providing to your particular audience. It's very, very important. Being confident is not being cocky. Being confident is not being loud and boastful, especially when you are doing your presentation. When you are doing your presentation, being confident is just being relaxed. Being confident is knowing that you are comfortable in providing other people the knowledge and the information that you have. You are doing a presentation, you are presenting from within. You know your subject, you know your knowledge. So you're very relaxed and you're confident in what you're bringing, right? That is it. You know that people are here to listen to you. People are here to hear what you have to say. So don't be stressed about it. People came to see you. They know that you are a presenter. They know that you are going to present something to you, and they are happy to be there with you. They are happy to hear what you have to say. They are happy to hear about what you have to present to them. So when you are in the habit of connecting with that particular audience, of knowing that, yes, people are actually here to hear what I have to say. People actually came to hear me out. People actually are here because they know that I am going to present. So now you become one with your audience and you are again in that mindset of giving out information to them, correct?